Welcome to Bali. Speak Indonesia. It's good.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Legian Bali at Garlic Lane. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, for today, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Garlic Lane Legian Bali, and overview today start from the north part until to the south part on Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Let me show you around here. Yeah, this is Padma Street. Wow, busy over there. It's good. And today I will make video in Garlic Lane Legian Bali, the best shopping center area in Legian. Okay, let me show you how busy around this time before the sunset in Garlic Lane Legian Bali. It's quite busy over there, isn't it? Ambiente. This is also recommended spa, recommended by Kristen, from Australia, because she been there and she said it was very nice. Okay guys, let's keep walking in Garlic Lane Legian Bali, and we hope together we will see a lot of tourists in this area today. Wow. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's some people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Garlic Lane Legian Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali travel vlog. This restaurant also actually recommended because my viewer that told me also nice food over there. Hello. Maybe yeah. Wow, shopping time. Okay, and this is Suriwati Hotel at the left side. Also nice to stay there. Wow. Local restaurant, a lot of tourists over there. Did you say in this area quite busy, isn't it? Maybe I will walk around across the street. Let me show you how busy over there. Wow, busy. It's good. A lot of tourists over there. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Quite busy, isn't it? That's good. Wow, big food. Enjoy your holiday. Across the left side, also a few trees over there. Walk around on the footpath. That's good. Left side, few trees over there. Wow, not really busy actually. Really sad. Oh wow. Wow. Legian Bar and Restaurant. It's quite busy over there. That's good. Hello, welcome to Bali. Enjoy your holiday, brother. Bagus. Wow, you speak Indonesia. It's good. Bagus. Tinggal di Bali? You stay in Bali?
Yes.
That's good.
I don't live here. I just come
Oh, just present.
3 or 4 times a year.
Really? So easy for you.
Yeah, it's only 3 hours from Perth.
Oh wow. But expensive. That's the reason.
Never used to be, but it is now.
No, for us. For us, it's even like I save money 10 years to fly to Australia is very hard for us because our money is very small.
Yeah. I've taken a couple of Balinese back to Australia.
Really?
Sponsored them back for 3 months.
Wow, that's good. Welcome to Bali. Yeah, actually, I make YouTube.
Yeah, what's your channel? What's your YouTube channel?
Bali travel vlog.
I've seen you.
It's about administration in Bali.
I've seen you on.
Really?
Yeah, but I've never seen you. I've seen your blog.
Oh.
You should put your face on there a bit more.
Yeah. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a good day, yeah? Enjoy your holiday, brother.
Hey,
Bye bye. Wow. He come 4 times a year. Wow, so hard. So easy for them, but not for us. Restaurant is also actually recommended because one customer come was. Wow, this is new one. Oh, Ruby, yeah. I mean, wow. I can imagine to come to Bali every 4 times a year. Wow. It's not easy, not easy. Billy's Bar, 69. Not really busy actually. Really sad. Oh, maybe they go to the beach because the weather today is just so beautiful. They're waiting for sunset over there on the beach. So that's why not so many tourists in this area now. Hello, welcome to Bali. Good. Yeah, as I told you today, actually not really busy. A little bit quiet in this area today. Really sad. Where about in art market? This is the way to go to Kmart. I think you know about Kmart. Just over there. Wow. Maybe in art market, futurist. Let's see. Also not really busy actually. Okay guys, so this is our unit today in Garlic Lane, Legian Bali. So what do you think? It's pretty quiet, isn't it? Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Garlic Lane, Legian, Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali travel vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Quiet, really sad.